All right, let's get into it. We're on a mission today, a really important one, cracking the code of addition word problems. But don't you worry, I promise, by the time we're done here, you're going to have a secret formula to solve them every single time.
So, does this ever happen to you? You read a math problem, you see all the words and the numbers, and it just feels more like a tricky riddle than a math question. If you've ever felt that way, trust me, you are not alone. But here's the cool part. What if I told you there are secret clues hidden inside every single problem, just waiting for you to find them?
Okay, so before we put on our detective hats and start hunting for those clues, we've got to get a handle on our main tool for this mission, and that is the big idea of addition itself.
Think about it this way. Addition, at its core, is just about joining things. It's that simple. You're combining amounts, finding a total, or just, putting stuff together. It's all about taking smaller piles and making one big pile out of them.
All right, now for the really fun part. This is where we become math detectives. Because inside almost every single addition word problem, there are these secret key words, and they're basically giant flashing neon signs that scream add. So let's figure out how to spot them.
Okay, look at these. These words are your secret weapons, your code breakers. Whenever you see words like total, in all, or combined, a little light bulb should go off in your head. That's your signal. These are the magic words that unlock the whole problem.
So knowing the keywords is awesome, right? But just knowing them isn't enough. We need a strategy, a plan of attack. And that's exactly what this is, your foolproof 5-step game plan that's going to guide you to the right answer every single time.
You ready for this? Because this isn't just a couple of tips. Nope, this is a system, a reliable process that once you get it down means no word problem will ever seem scary again. Seriously, it's your path to victory.
And here it is, the 5 steps to success. It's super simple. Step 1, read the problem. Twice. Trust me on this. Once to get the story, and a second time to really hunt for the details. Then, step 2, you underline the actual question. That's your target. Step 3, circle the numbers. That's your ammo. 4, look for those magic keywords we just talked about. And finally, step 5, you put it all together, write the equation, and solve it. See? Totally manageable.
Okay, talking about it is one thing, but let's actually put this game plan into action. We're going to solve one together, right now, and you'll see just how powerful this strategy really is.
So here's our challenge problem. A store sold 245 items in the morning and 378 in the afternoon. How many items were sold in all? Okay, step 1 of the game plan. We just read it carefully to get the story. Simple enough.
All right, on to step 2. We've got to isolate our mission. What exactly is the problem asking us to do? Right here. How many items were sold in all? By underlining that, we keep our eyes on the prize. It keeps us focused.
Next up, step 3. Let's find our key pieces of data. You see them? Yep, 245 and 378. We're going to circle those so they pop right off the page. Easy.
Okay, now for step 4, the detective work. We're scanning for a keyword and boom, there it is, in all. That's our big clue. That's the magic word that tells us we need to add. So that leads us right into step 5, writing the equation. It's got to be 245 plus 378 equals, well, what does it equal? And the answer is 623. The store sold 623 items in total. How cool is that? See how the 5-step plan took what looked like just a bunch of words and numbers and turned it into a simple, clear path to the answer? It works like a charm. And that's it. Just like that, you've got everything you need. You understand the big idea, you know the secret keywords, and you have that killer 5-step game plan. You are now officially an addition word problem expert.
So, we've cracked the code. But now, it's your turn. What's an addition story you could create? Think about your day. Maybe it's about your toys, or how many snacks you ate, or the points in a video game. I want you to try and create your own problem and solve it with our game plan. Because now, you've got the code. The power is all yours.